Let's assemble the EL 48 volts battery box with JK inverter BMS.
Put on the communication adapter.
Fasten it with M3 screws.
Fasten the new JK inverter BMS.
Connect the B+ cable to the BMS.
Connect the BMS to communicate adapter cables. Put on the positive and negative terminals. Make sure the direction is correct.
Connect the circuit breaker with silicon wires.
Put on the waterproof cover. Fasten the circuit breaker to the front panel.
Connect the P cable to the BMS.
Fasten the B cable.
Connect the switch.
Check the circuit breaker function. Connect the sampling cable from NT1 to NT4. Finished the front panel assembly. Connect the front panel to the batteries.
Fasten the top panel.
Connect the battery to the JK app. Thanks for watching.